Innovative SaaS. Trimble's powerhouse business growth solution for truckload carriers on a secure cloud platform. Innovative IES is a transportation management system designed as a comprehensive order-to-cash solution for carriers. Trimble's world-class dispatch software combines driver management capabilities with fully integrated accounting and back-office tools. From order entry to load planning, check call tracking, or payroll and settlements, Innovative delivers deep, real-time visibility into every area of your business. Leverage this powerhouse business growth platform to increase revenue, boost customer satisfaction, improve driver loyalty, and strengthen bottom-line performance. Innovative's modern cloud-based environment applies the security and expertise of Trimble and Microsoft to help solve your IT challenges. Our SaaS platform, fueled by the power of IBM iTechnology, provides you with increased business agility and the freedom to concentrate on your core business. Accessing Innovative via a SaaS platform also means that your software is available anytime, anywhere, so you don't have to compromise on productivity. Innovative SaaS includes solutions for operations, administration, safety, and recruiting. This singular yet powerful interface simplifies the management of every business area, every order, every asset, every driver. With Innovative, you can maintain consistent, granular control at every step of the transportation lifecycle, book orders, pay invoices and drivers, and bill customers with a single tool. Improve user speed and accuracy while capturing and managing data that can be leveraged in other business-critical activities. Handle critical compliance functions both by unit and individual states or provinces. Monitor order and truck counts by user-defined zones, regions, and areas to optimize decision-making. Improve equipment uptime by monitoring preventive maintenance schedules for trucks, trailers, reefer units, and other assets. Record all relevant information related to accidents and incidents with integrated safety tools. And streamline the driver acquisition process while helping measure the ROI of a full range of recruiting strategies. Available via monthly subscription bundles that include cloud hosting, server hardware, ongoing technical support, regular backups, maintenance, and more, Innovative IES is within reach for any size truckload fleet. Achieve operational excellence through a fast and dynamic transportation management system that keeps pace with your business with Innovative IES.